Welcome to Live Interactive English. Hello, I'm Matt.
Hello, I'm Kiki.
Today, we are looking at part 2 of an article called The Rainbow Diet, Nature's Color Code for Good Health. So when we read part 1, we learned about this rainbow diet, which means that you should be eating lots of fruits and vegetables, but not all the same color.
Right. And we learned that actually the different colors of the fruit or vegetable is actually very beneficial to us, and they all have different types of benefits.
That's right. So these things that are good for us are called phytochemicals. And they give you the different benefits, and they also give the different fruits their colors.
Right, like strawberries.
So that's right. Makes strawberries red, also makes your skin look healthy.
Now, speaking of a rainbow diet, Matt, what is your favorite color to eat?
Well, pizza is usually yellow and red and some white.
I meant nature's colors, like fruits and vegetables.
Okay. Pizza sauce is made from tomatoes, and tomatoes are red, so I'm gonna say red.
Okay, fine, I'll give you that. But let's find out today about more natural vegetables and fruits and what other benefits we can get from them.
Okay.
So what does a day of eating the rainbow look like? Although it might seem challenging, it can be achieved with just a little thought and effort. For example, you might usually start your day with some cereal and milk. Simply add strawberries, sliced bananas, and blueberries, and you can already cross red, yellow, and blue off your list. For lunch, how about a salad? Start with some lettuce, add some chopped carrot, purple cabbage, corn, and sliced red bell pepper. Then toss them up with salad dressing. So far, you have eaten orange, red, yellow, blue, or purple, and green. That's all but one of the groups you need.
Hello everyone. Today we are looking at part 2 of the article, The Rainbow Diet, Nature's Color Code for Good Health.
Let's find out about what different colors of our fruits and vegetables can do for us.
All right. So what does a day of eating the rainbow look like? Although it might seem challenging, it can be achieved with just a little thought and effort.
Oh, okay. So if I consciously have to think about the different types of colors that I want to put into my diet, it's actually not that hard if I kind of just think about it, right? So to achieve is to successfully finish or do something that you want to do, okay? And usually it's something that kind of takes a little more effort or time to plan things out. Just like trying to achieve a rainbow diet, we have to think about the different colors we want to eat. Now, an example sentence is, you have to work hard if you want to achieve your goals.
So that's a way to achieve it. So this, is something you can make a plan for how to eat every day. And I think it will be pretty easy to do once you start to think about the kind of foods you can put into your diet.
And thinking about the different colored fruits and vegetables that exist. So let's get back to our article. For example, you might usually start your day with some cereal and milk. Simply add strawberries, sliced bananas, and blueberries, and you can already cross red, yellow, and blue off your list.
Okay, so you're already getting more than 2 colors a day.
Right.
You're already getting these 3 colors off your list, so you can just, eat junk food for the rest of the day.
Well, it's really cool because something as simple as cereal, usually it's just milk and cereal, but once you add these 3 fruits in, you've added more nutrients to your diet.
Point. For lunch, how about a salad? Start with some lettuce, add some chopped carrot, purple cabbage, corn, and sliced red bell pepper. Then toss them up with salad dressing.
Wow, that's already a lot of colors.
There's many colors.
Yeah. So far, you've eaten orange, red, yellow, blue or purple, and green. That's all but one of the groups you need.
Okay, so that's already completed, a lot of your daily rainbow diet. It's pretty good. Okay, so they mentioned to toss up the salad with some dressing. To toss can mean to throw something in a casual way or to not throw it very directly, just to throw something, you toss it in the air. But in this case, we're talking about salad. When we talk about tossing something like salad or any other kind of food, we usually mean placing it in a bowl and moving the bowl to toss the salad or toss the food that's inside, causing it to, mix with whatever sauce you're trying to get on it. So for example, the chicken pieces were tossed in a spicy sauce.
So I'm gonna toss.
Oh, you can also use,
Yeah, I'm gonna toss the chicken to you.
Okay.
Okay, so we've learned a lot about different things that we can eat, different colors we can eat in one meal. Okay.
Right, I think you could even make like a rainbow hamburger, right? Because if you've already got, you got lettuce, you got tomato, you could maybe put some like purple cabbage on there as well.
Yeah.
And then I don't know if onion counts as a
purple onion.
Purple onion. That's right. I don't even need the cabbage.
Yeah.
Purple onion. And then I don't know, does mustard count as a yellow vegetable?
I think we're gonna have to look that one up.
Okay.
Let's take a break and we'll find out more after.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Hanny。要执行彩虹饮食法，似乎很有挑战性诶。不过其实只需要花一点心思和努力就可以达成了。像是在早餐的麦片牛奶里面可以加入草莓、香蕉、蓝莓，那就可以从清单当中删除红色、黄色和蓝色。那午餐就来一份沙拉如何呢？除了生菜，你就可以加入这种切碎的胡萝卜啊、紫甘蓝啊、玉米、红甜椒等等，然后跟沙拉酱一起拌匀，这样就可以摄取多种颜色。那这样看下来，目前就只差了这个白色、棕色的这一组颜色了。我们先看单字 achieve 是动词，表示达到，尤其是经过努力去达到、实现或是获得。那么 toss 这个动词表示轻轻搅拌食物的那种意思，它也可以表达抛或是掷。那这边一个重点，我们进入文法时间。好，这边我们来比较 how about 和 what about 的异同。先来看相同点是 how about 和 what about 是用来提出建议，询问是否考虑其他人事物，询问对方的意见，或者是引出新的主题，也就是表达什么什么如何呢？你认为什么什么怎么样呢？像 I like singing and dancing。How about you？ 或是 What about you？ 我喜欢唱歌跳舞，你呢？再看个例句是How about going to the beach tomorrow？ 或者是 What about going to the beach tomorrow？ 明天去海边玩怎么样啊？好，再来看到他们不同点是，请求对方给你东西或询问对方是否愿意做某事时，只能使用 How about。举例来说 How about you drive me home and we can talk more on the way？ 不如你开车送我回家，我们就可以在路上多聊一点，怎么样？好，那么用来询问对于某事该如何处理、该怎么处理时，只能用 What about。假设我们跟朋友在聊到减少塑胶使用，聊到环保牙刷，也许你就突然想到说 But what about toothpaste? Toothpaste usually comes in a plastic tube. 但牙膏怎么办呢？牙膏通常都是装在塑胶管里啊，要怎么减少塑胶使用呢？好，那我们接着回到课文中。
Having accomplished so much already, at dinner time you just need to have a white or brown vegetable. Pair a side dish of roasted cauliflower, white, with some meat or fish, and there you have it. You have consumed all the different color groups in one day. Just think of all the goodness that's now in your body. In short, you don't need a degree in nutrition to eat well. Mother Nature has given us a clear formula to follow. Simply focus on the colors, and the rest will take care of itself.
Welcome back. Before the break, we were learning more about the rainbow diet and how to incorporate it into your daily life. So they mentioned that by just adding some fruits to your breakfast cereal, by adding like bananas, strawberries, and blueberries, you can already add 3 of those important colors to your diet. Or by having a salad for lunch, you can add many colors of different vegetables into the salad to get you started on that rainbow diet. So continuing on with our article, having accomplished so much already, at dinner time, you just need to have a white or brown vegetable.
So throughout the day, we've already had breakfast with 3 different colors. And then our colorful salad during lunch. Now we only have white or brown left for dinner.
French fries.
Oh, yes. So it seems like it wasn't that hard to accomplish a day of colorful diet or eating the rainbow. Now, what does it mean to accomplish something? It's basically another way to say that you've achieved something or an achievement. And it means you finish or complete a task or a goal. And sometimes accomplishments are quite important too. You know, it's a long-term project or goal, and it takes time and effort to finish. And usually people are really proud of their accomplishments. Okay, so an example sentence would be, James has accomplished more in the past year than most people do in a decade.
Wow. Okay, so he's done more, he's completed more, he's done more with his life than most people do in a decade, which would be 10 years.
Right. And usually accomplishments are also things that people celebrate, right? Now, let's get back to our article and find out what kind of white or brown vegetables do we have to eat. Pair a side dish of roasted cauliflower, white, with some meat or fish. And there you have it.
Okay.
The rainbow diet.
Wow. Okay, so they mentioned cauliflower, and they also made sure to specify that it's white. So cauliflower is a vegetable that's most often white, and it's the flowers of a plant, and it has a thick white stalk at the base, and you might think of it compared with green broccoli. So we often think is also a kind of flower vegetable, and they look very similar, but the white one is called cauliflower. And actually, it can also have other colors such as yellow or purple cauliflower. That's why they had to mention this time we only need the white one because that's what's missing from the diet.
Right.
Okay, and they also mentioned that you can roast the cauliflower. So to roast is to cook something through a longer period of heat, usually in an oven. So usually inside something, you're applying heat to it for a length of time to cook it all the way through. For example, my mom always made roasted chicken on Sundays.
You have consumed all the different color groups in one day. Just think of all the goodness that's now in your body.
In short, you don't need a degree in nutrition to eat well. Mother Nature has given us a clear formula to follow. Simply focus on the colors and the rest will take care of itself.
Okay, so actually it's not that hard for us to keep a rainbow diet because Mother Nature or the colors we see in nature actually help us already. So we talk about the formula that Mother Nature gives us. And what a formula is, it is a noun and it is a method or procedure to complete or do something. So most often we think of math formulas, which are different types of mathematical rules and relationships that are expressed with symbols, and they will give us or solve a definite or correct answer or solution, right? And So we can have a formula of a natural, colorful diet just by eating the different colors that Mother Nature has given us. So an example sentence for formula would be, the author told Jerry his formula for writing successful novels.
Okay, and we also have a what do you think question. So I'm going to ask you, Kiki, what is your favorite meal? And what could you add to it to ensure you aren't eating more color?
Oh, this is really hard because I can just straight up say my favorite thing to eat is mashed potatoes. Okay, but how can I add it to make it more healthy?
What can you add to mashed potatoes to make it more healthy or more colorful even?
Cheddar cheese.
Cheddar cheese, that's not some of the fruits and vegetables that we're adding.
Okay, let's add some spinach. Green spinach to mashed potatoes.
That sounds like it'd be all right.
Yeah, maybe. It's something new to try.
Okay. Well, that's your solution, to add spinach?
What else would you recommend?
When I was a kid, I used to take all the other vegetables on my plate and make like a face in the mashed potatoes. So you could use like broccoli for the hair, use some carrots for the eyes, and use like a bean for the mouth. And you've got your colorful, healthy, friendly-looking mashed potatoes.
That makes sense.
Okay, so I hope you've learned how to have a colorful, healthy diet for yourself, and we will see you next time. Goodbye.
现在已经完成许多种颜色蔬果的摄取了。那晚餐的时候，你只需要吃白色或棕色的蔬菜。课文就建议说，可以吃烤花椰菜，配一些肉或鱼，那就完成了一天的彩虹饮食。我们补充一下 ，cauliflower 是花椰菜，那如果是 broccoli 则是青花菜。Matt 老师提到说，因为我们刚刚最后缺的是白色、棕色这一组颜色，所以课文它有明确指出是白色花椰菜，而不是其他颜色的花椰菜。Matt 老师刚刚用到一个动词叫 specify，S-P-E-C-I-F-Y，specify 可以表达明确指出或是具体说明的意思。好，那课文最后就提到说，我们不需要营养学学位就可以吃得好，大自然给了我们一个明确的方法，可以供遵循，我们只要专注于颜色就可以咯。好，那么单字 accomplish 它是动词，表示完成、实现。Roast 是动词，表示烘烤。我们课文只是用它的过去分词 roasted 来形容是烘烤的。那么 formula 它是指做事的准则啊、方法或是方案，它也有配方、公式的那种意思。好，这边一个重点，我们进入文法时间。这边我们来学习完成式的分词构句。Having 加 PP 逗号主词加动词，那完成式的分词构句可以用来表达比另一个子句更早发生或已完成的动作。我们这边先复习一下要怎么把副词子句简化成分词构句哦。当副词子句的主词跟主要子句的主词相同的话，我们可以把副词子句的主词省略，然后把动词改分词 VING 或 PP。如果不会造成语义混淆，可以再省略连接词。举例来说 ，Emma made a pot of tea after she washed the dishes. Emma 洗完碗之后泡了一壶茶。前后子句主词一样，那这个副词子句 after she washed the dishes 里面的 she 可以省略，然后再把 washed 改成 washing， 就会变成 Emma made a pot of tea after washing the dishes。好，再来，当副词子句的时态是用到现在完成式 have 加 PP 的时候，我们要形成分词构句，就是把 have 改成 having。举例来说，After he had finished his science project, he went to the movies with his friends. 完成科学专题之后，他跟朋友去看电影。那 after he had finished 可以简化成 after having finished。那由于完成式还可以清楚表达出动作发生的时间比较早，所以呢还可以再省略连接词 after， 那就会变成 Having finished his science project, he went to the movies with his friends. 好，那么以上这些讲解，同学别走开，马上回来哦。
So what does a day of eating the rainbow look like? Although it might seem challenging, it can be achieved with just a little thought and effort. For example, you might usually start your day with some cereal and milk. Simply add strawberries, sliced bananas, and blueberries, and you can already cross red, yellow, and blue off your list. For lunch, how about a salad? Start with some lettuce, add some chopped carrot, purple cabbage, corn, and sliced red bell pepper. Then toss them up with salad dressing. So far, you have eaten orange, red, yellow, blue, or purple, and green. That's all but one of the groups you need. Having accomplished so much already, at dinner time you just need to have a white or brown vegetable. Pair a side dish of roasted cauliflower, white, with some meat or fish, and there you have it. You have consumed all the different color groups in one day. Just think of all the goodness that's now in your body. In short, you don't need a degree in nutrition to eat well. Mother Nature has given us a clear formula to follow. Simply focus on the colors, and the rest will take care of itself.
Here's how to play. The host will be holding 3 cards. Each card will have 2 sentences containing a secret vocabulary word or phrase that has been replaced by the word bear. The host will read the sentences out loud for the contestants to guess. Whoever guesses first gets a point. The person with the most points wins. And you can play along too.
Hey, I'm Josh.
I'm Carolyn.
And I'm Toy.
Today we're going to be playing Guess the Bear. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
It's been a while. All right, we've got the first one coming up. This is a noun, one word. She has bear paying attention in class. Their bears started with the town's new mayor.
Trouble?
Ooh, that's very quick and you got it right.
Oh.
You had no trouble with that one right there. And let's see how that sounds without the bears. She has trouble paying attention in class. Their troubles started with the town's new mayor. Yeah, new mayors are tricky like that. The next one, this is a verb. One word, the computer crashed before she could bear her work. His phone ran out of space after he bared the pictures.
Download?
No.
Save?
Yes. You got it. Save. The computer crashed before she could save her work. His phone ran out of space after he saved the pictures. At least he got to save them. All right. This one's a little bit more tricky. It's a phrase with 2 words. Mary bared bear candy to be healthier. He had to bear video games to focus on studying.
Cut out?
No.
Give up?
Yes.
Yes.
Gave up, give up. Very good. Mary gave up candy to be healthier. He had to give up video games to focus on studying. Yeah, I think I need to give up candy and video games, but I just can't stop.
Why should you?
Well, that's a very good point. I'm not giving them up. That was a great round. Yeah. You're the winner.